Hey guys, welcome to another episode about R programming. In today's episode I am going to teach you how you are going to do text replacement. There is a difference in regards of what we want to replace. So you could replace text from page itself, or you could replace content of your header or of your footer. And let me show you this document I have created. You see, we have simple document for this purpose only, with content of header and then one paragraph with content of to be replaced and footer. So how we are going to change all of this? Let me show you. First of all, you have to import your Officer library, then you are going to load this document in your R session, and now we are going to use function we are going to provide document as first argument. Then we are going to provide content that we would like to replace. And now I'm going to replace that paragraph. Same way, document is going to be first argument, second argument is going to be text that is going to be replaced, and let me check that text once again. So that is text to be replaced. I'm just going to copy this and I'm going to provide that value. And now let's say we are going to do with capital letters replacement. And now I'm going to change footer. First argument, of course, document. Second argument is going to be value that is going to be replaced. And same. Like this. And if we run our code, you see everything went well. Now I'm going to check the content of this document. And as you see, this is the new content for header, replacement all with capital letters in paragraph, and this is new content of footer. So this would be all for this episode. If you like this content, please subscribe and see ya!